Want to sound totally different while playing Roblox on your phone? Maybe like a robot, a chipmunk, or even a deep villain voice. Today, I'll show you how to use a voice changer in Roblox Mobile, step by step. First, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for a voice changer app. Popular options are voice changer with effects or voice mod. These apps let you record or even change your voice in real time with tons of cool effects. Once you've installed it, open the app and choose your favorite effect like robot, alien, or helium voice. Some apps let you record your voice while others can run in the background and change your voice live. Test it first to make sure it sounds good. Now, open Roblox Mobile. Join a game and turn on voice chat. If the voice changer app supports live mode, keep it running while you play. When you talk in Roblox, your friends will hear your new, funny voice instantly. If you're using the record and play option, you can also upload those clips and share them with your friends in chat. Always make sure your mic permissions are turned on so both Roblox and your voice changer app can work together. And remember, use it for fun. Don't use crazy voice to spam or troll others. So, ready to prank your friends with a new voice? Try it out and let me know which effect is your favorite.